Hi, YouTube fans. Welcome to Nook's Kitchen. We are going to be making shrimp fried rice today. Everybody loves fried rice. It's very easy to make. And if you prepare all of your ingredients prior to cooking, it only takes less than 5 minutes to actually cook it. I'm heating olive oil. And I have garlic and a little bit of chili peppers. So I'm going to cook that, kind of brown it a little bit. Next, I am going to add vegetables. This is frozen vegetables. Next, I'm adding pea pods, or not pea pods, I guess peas, green peas. And next, I'm adding shrimp. Very easy to make and very fast. So we'll cook the shrimp and make sure that it is, until it's white. Now, adding the eggs. Make sure you have the heat on high. And that's what they do at the Chinese restaurants. They have the heat on really high. And, when you make at home, it's not easy to do that because most of our gas stoves are not, it's not commercial. So it gives out consistent heat. Next, we are going to add the rice, uh, pepper, a little bit of salt, and this is sweet soy sauce to give it the color. You see how quickly I cooked it? It's almost ready. Last but not least, add scallion or green onions. And our fried rice is ready to be served. Okay. I'm going to serve myself some shrimp fried rice. Isn't that beautiful? Look at, well, it's a little steamy, I'm sorry, but I'm sure it's good. So let's taste it. Mm, I love it. Let me have a second bite. Delicious. One thing left to do. Cheers. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe, like, or and comment. Thank you so much. Bye bye.